Concept Interior Studio presents an interior design project in collaboration with Sidharth Greenwoods. White background with dark lines, abstract art, marble texture, and fluted panelling add elegance. This TV unit combines elegance and function with a marble textured panel, minimalist grey drawer for a stylish, inviting look. Cost-effective dining room panelling with textured wallpaper, fluted panels, and greenery adds modern elegance and depth. Glossy cabinets, gola handles, sloped chimney, tile backsplash, organised storage, and glass shutters add style and function to the kitchen. Custom headboard wall, fluted mirror, membrane finished TV unit, glass wardrobe, and hanging light enhance style and function. Customised wallpaper, laminate headboard, orange wardrobe, adjustable study table and TV unit provides functionality. Colourful kids' room with house-shaped wardrobe, sloped roof study tables, playful wallpaper and efficient storage solutions.